It's January the 7th today, Monday morning. Oh, what a productive Monday morning I'm having. Yes, I've demolished the tree, it's gone. And we're going to make the best of today and going to make the best of the whole week. Okay, time to hang out the washing even though it's still dark outside. So today I have to fill in my pension form. Write my application for my pension. My spicy apple cake, one of my favourite recipes from a lady called Julie Bailey. Looking good. Yes, and I even finished the ironing today. Today is the day I'm going to save my geraniums. They are going in the shed downstairs until all frost and wintry conditions have disappeared. Bit of a job, but someone's got to do it. This is our storage on the ground floor. We all have storage space. So I'm just waiting for the new plants to cheer the place up. And bought a new houseplant yesterday. Well, as you can see, it's another sunny day today. I've just pulled up at my physio. I'm going to shiatsu, and that's just to loosen my shoulders and my muscles around my arm so that my hand may get all its mobility back. So, it's been hectic today. I've done a lot. Oh, all done and dusted. She's certainly manipulated me. I can feel it, but that's okay. I feel good. I feel really good. Time to cook dinner. And little greens, a little bit of red, and my fish. Alright, we're having fish tonight. With lots of veggies and rice. Oh, the day's just flown. I can't believe it's gone so quickly. Good morning. It is Thursday the 9th, what is it, the 10th of January. Can't remember now. It goes so fast. You remember all the fireworks? Never mind. It's Thursday, and today a friend of ours, Mary, she's coming for dinner, and we're going to have goulash. And the reason we're having goulash is because we're going to celebrate the memories and rehash some of our Budapest adventures. So that's why I'm making goulash for tonight. I'll be going down the shop after and getting some bits and pieces. Even though I live in the Netherlands, the All Blacks, my team is still the All Blacks. I love my t-shirt, I do. On my way to the supermarket for my ingredients for the goulash. But before I do that, I've got to get rid of all my empty bottles I've got stored up. Now I'm on my way to my local supermarket. Lots and lots and lots of sorts of olives. I love my kitchen, and I've loved it for the 4 years we've lived here. I designed it myself, and I've now finally, after 4 years, got this light above my bench. Because it was, even though it was slightly, it was okay, I really did need a little bit of extra light on my counter. And now for the stock. And tomatoes. Now when tomatoes are really cheap, I actually freeze lots of them in, and that gives me the opportunity to use fresh tomatoes in a very frozen way, but I've always got them handy. The paprikas are roasting nicely, almost done. Looking good. On to dessert. Apple crumble. I'll put this in the oven later. Oh, I'm so happy with the result. Looks delicious, tastes delicious, smells delicious. Different washing machine. Friday. Let's have a look. Is that the one? That's the one. And do that. And that. And for everything, there's a solution. It's raining outside, and I've just balanced the rack on the bath. It'll be dry tonight. I'm soaking wet. I've walked through the rain at a reception to farewell our GP, who's retiring. Well, it's 9 a.m. Sunday morning, and I'm preparing dinner for tonight. Got some friends coming, but we've also got a reception this afternoon between 2 and 4, so I have to be pretty on the ball. Tomato soup, homemade, lasagna and apple crumble. Well, I've only just started. Lasagna under construction. Well, I'm all set to go. The dinner's organised. Oh, I've got the soup ready, and the lasagna is ready to go into the oven once the guests arrive, and the apple crumble. I've whipped the cream, got some ice cream to go with it. I'm sure it's going to be yummy. One of the joys of having friends who have a florist shop. Well, there you go. That was my week. Full on, fun, lots of enjoyment, and no, I'm not going to make this a weekly thing, but I just wanted to give it a go, just to give you a glimpse of my week. Well, that was quite a mission. I don't think I'll make a habit of doing weekly thing, but oh well, I had to give it a go. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So see you next time. Oma Faraway, signing off.